Hey everyone, Laura Frazier here, Hairzilla, and today I'm going to show you a quick no heat style using two products. This look is for smooth hair that we want under control and sleeker, but just don't have the time for the flat iron. To get that maximum hold without the maximum feel, spray your bristle brush liberally with Triple Take 32. By not spraying directly on the hair, we can keep the benefit of our favorite hairspray without ever overdoing it. Section hair into 1 or 2 inch sections, smaller sections if your hair is thicker. Brush both sides of the section with the product loaded brush until smooth and product is evenly distributed. Repeat each section, reloading the brush with hairspray. If you want it smooth and minimum volume, that's it. This is a complete look. But if you want smooth hair but not flat hair, let's add volume at the root with Triple Dry 15. Spray your sections that you took at the root while holding them up off the head. Get your brush ready again and brush back to smooth if anything's out of place after adding the volume. And that's it. Let's head out. I'm going to show you a quick no heat style using 3 products. This style will breathe life back into your waves or curls and revamp your look, so when you wake up and go, you can forget the hot tools. We're going to grab Redken's One United, their dry shampoo, and some Triple Dry 15. Take your One United and mist it evenly on your waves or curls to add life and moisture back into them and kill the frizz and deflate that poof. Just a light mist, don't get too crazy or make it too wet. Run your fingers through and move your hair around to define curls and distribute product evenly and remove frizz. Do not brush it. Too much friction can cause more frizz. Wait a few moments for it to dry. You can put on your makeup, blend your contour, finish your iced coffee, or whatever else you need to do while you wait for your hair to dry. To keep from getting oily and not lose volume at the root, apply your dry shampoo at the root. Take about 1 to 2 inch sections, or even smaller sections if your hair is thicker, and generously spray your dry shampoo right on your scalp. I like to rub the product into my scalp to mobilize the dry shampoo so it's even throughout my whole head. This is a complete look. You can stop here, but if you need more definition and hold against humidity or the weather, I love using Triple Dry 15 just for that. With a medium hold, it's perfect for lived-in looks that we can keep under control. And you're all set. I'm going to show you a quick no heat style using only 2 products for easy frizz-free waves. This look is perfect for summer when it's too hot to break out the blow dryer, but too humid not to style your hair. After shampooing and conditioning with your favorite Redken products, grab One United and Hydramelt. When you get out of the shower, mist your hair evenly all over with One United and comb through. Hold the bottle about 8 to 10 inches away for the perfect mist coverage. Then comb through with a wide tooth comb. This will help detangle and prevent friction damage, but also keep out humidity and protect your hair from environmental factors like the sun and still feel light on your hair, not too heavy. Then layer in Hydramelt to lock in the moisture. Pamper your hair and or extensions and keep out the frizz. Use a nickel size, then rub into your hands almost like you would lotion for even distribution. Then using your hands from almost your roots to your ends, rub Hydramelt into hair. Once all your products are in, braid your hair. Whatever braid you like here, I kept it simple with a basic 3-strand braid. Put as many braids as you like. The smaller the braid, the tighter the wave you'll create. The larger the braid, the softer the wave you'll create. Tie off with small elastics and wait to dry or go to bed. I love doing this technique before bed and waking up to an easy on-the-go hairstyle. When it's dry or when you wake up to dry braids, remove the elastics and use a wide tooth comb starting from the ends to deconstruct the braids. Do not use a brush. This will cause your hair to frizz and look too messy. We want to look like we woke up like this, not too messy. Mist your ends with a little extra One United, especially if your ends tend to be more dry. The moisture will help them look healthy and quench your hair's thirst. Now you're ready to go lounge or head out without worrying about frizz or the poof and an easy, low-key, wavy look.